Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix annoying green lines in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your phone. To restart your phone, press the power button and volume down button at the same time and slide this icon to right side for restart your mobile. After restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and click on general and scroll down last and click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset all settings, and here you enter your passcode to confirm the deletion and reset all settings. It will be reset all your iPhone settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other apps. It will reset all the settings. After resetting that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings again and click on general and click on software update. Here you can check your software update. Your iPhone will be latest version, updated will be latest version. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it. After updating that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then turn your mobile on recovery mode and turn your mobile to recovery mode to connect your charger and press the power button and volume down button at the same time. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.